The science behind kindness. Kindness is brilliant. It's for everyone. It connects us, and what's more, it doubles when we share it. That's a fact, backed by science. It all starts with one person, you. Kindness is good for you. Scientific studies show that if you perform just one random act of kindness, you and that person will have reduced stress, anxiety, and depression levels, and your body will create hormones that will result in being calmer, healthier, and happier. These hormones are called serotonin, endorphin, and oxytocin. As a result, you will both be more energetic and confident, feel less aches and pains, feel protected, and possibly even live longer, fuller lives. When people see the benefits of your kindness, they will feel inspired to take part, creating a positive chain reaction. Big or small, an act of kindness can make a huge difference, and it all starts with you.